Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Hope you enjoy. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment. So the first bit that I've got to do obviously is cut the wood. I like mine to be probably about the same width as my actual blade itself. And as you can see here, nice thin piece. Obviously we get sand that down. Bit of focus. There we go. So yeah, and then let's go on to the next step. Okay, so now we're back. This is the piece that I've got. I'll just cut. And now we're going to go into taking the outer bark off. As you can see, there's a bit on the edge here. Just try and take as much of that off as we can, otherwise the sandpaper won't work very well with it. Just trying to make it as easy as I can for myself later. So, no big chunks or anything like that on there. And this is what we're going to want. A nice piece. So from this, jagged, nice, round. Whoop. Okay, let's go to the next. Okay, so now we're going to go on to the sanding bit. Nice. Just get this little bit. Nice. Okay. Now that that is made, I have to sand down the flat surfaces a little bit. And that's the last step. And then it's on to actually putting the rune symbol onto the piece of wood itself, which I'll show you next time. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for my next video, which is going to be putting the runes actually onto the piece of wood itself. Please comment, subscribe and like if you liked it. Thanks. See ya.